Today I'm making some Spam fried rice. That's some good stuff, man. I put in the frozen vegetables with the Spam and the onion, and then I add some cooked rice here. You can see that. That's great. That's chahan. The flavor packet is right there, and that bag comes with a bunch of them. This is the finished product. Man, I love that stuff. Let's eat. Whoa, it's good. You know, sometimes we go for dinner, Chinese dinner, and I go to that place. But, you know, since the COVID, they've closed down their dine-in, so it's only carry-out now. But it's good, generous portions. This is Kung Pao beef, number 5. Then when we're really hungry for Chinese, we go over across the river to Windsor, Canada. Oh yeah, they got plenty of Chinese restaurants over there. And it's a new taste each time I go to a different one. Oh, good. White Castle burgers. Ta-da! Not only that, is I got the onion chips with their zesty ring sauce. Tastes like Thousand Island dressing with a little bit of hot sauce. That's good. Let the gas begin.